Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Apple CarPlay black screen in 2026. So before hopping on to the causes and the solutions, we need to briefly understand why is it actually happening. So a black screen usually means that the CarPlay is connected but not displaying properly. So this could be due to the cable issues, app glitches, permissions, or even the system bugs. So in that case, before anything else, you need to restart both the devices. So first of all, you need to turn off your iPhone and your car's infotainment system, then power them back on. This clears the temporary bugs and often fixes the issue instantly. Now, if you are using wired CarPlay, you can inspect the lightning cable. Just make sure that it is not damaged. You can try a different cable, and you can also use an original or certified cable. For wireless CarPlay, you just have to simply toggle the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi off and on to refresh the connection. Now you need to also check the iPhone settings. For that, you just have to go to your iPhone settings, then go to General. Inside General, you will find the CarPlay option, so simply tap on it. Afterwards, you just have to simply select your car and ensure that the CarPlay option is enabled here. Now, you need to check the screen time restrictions. They can also block CarPlay without you noticing it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.